Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna continue about the introduction of jQuery part 3. I'm gonna continue from the last tutorial. So let's begin. Today I'm gonna talking about modifying attributes. You can modify any attributes in the HTML by these elements. You have to select some HTML and change some attribute like id type. You can change anything, class, if any HTML have class, id name and name, anything. You can change this by attributes, and prop works same. Property also works same. Remove attribute. You can remove any attribute by this selector, by this element, and you can put a attribute and give a function in it. So let's try in the Visual Studio Code. Fine. Here we have the previous HTML page. Okay, let's clear this out. I'm gonna select a HTML element. Okay, by a selector. Okay, that's fine. Let's select this one. ID L1. Okay, fine. That doesn't have any class. Okay, attribute class. This element doesn't have any class, so I'm putting a class in it. You can put a new class. You can put new element to the selector elements. These are the elements of the selector. You can put new attribute. This ID is the attribute, name is the attribute. I am putting a class attribute in it. Let's put class. Okay, let's make a new class 40. Color would be blue and background be pink. That's 40. Okay, 40. Uh, 40. Fine. First I have to put some class in it. Let's check it. Okay. Yeah, you can see the paragraph class is changed. Okay, fine. Let's do something. Okay, in the beginning I put the class name search style it, copy copy. I'm gonna comment this out. I'm gonna reload it. You can see the list one first. In the beginning the class is the style it. Then after I'm gonna do this argument, then you can see the class of this element are gonna change. Okay, fine. You can see the element wholly full is checked. You can also do it by prop. Prop is also work the same. Property prop means property. Prop, fine. Yeah, this is also works the same property. And the next one is the remove attribute. Let's check it out. Okay, remove attribute. Fine, let's comment this out. You can see, okay, in the beginning this list already have a class in it, so I'm gonna remove it as selecting this list remove attribute class. This is gonna remove the class attribute from the element. Fine, this is going to remove. Okay, then there will be no class in it, so it's going to be a blank. Yeah, fine, the class is removed. Okay, another one is let's give on select. Fine. Let's do some research. Not I'm gonna select L2. This is going to simple. Okay, attribute. Okay, select yeah, on click. Okay, on click. Fine, attribute would be on click. I'm just going to be improvising. Okay, alert we just click the list. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see. No, it's not working. Play. Attribute to be, let's use prop. Click no, it's not working. Let's forget this. Next one is styling element. You can style your element by CSS. I'm gonna show you how to use CSS. I previously show you, but not in proper manner. So let's begin. So Now I'm gonna select some paragraph. Let's select third paragraph. Okay. Fine. CSS style would be, let's change the color would be orange is one of my favorite color. Okay, so let's try this. Third paragraph color would be orange. Yeah, you can see the third paragraph color is changed. Now let's remove this from here. Class. Yeah, fine. Save. Now it's going to show reticent. Fine. You can also put object element to give the CSS object, like dictionary. Okay, in Python we call dictionary. Okay, let's put some object. Okay, dictionary come here like this. Okay, color blue, background color let's green, let's put yellow. Okay, yellow, and border would be solid black. Let's save this and let's see this is working or not. Yeah, you can see now. You can see the color is blue, background color is yellow, and the border is solid black. Fine, that's how you can put CSS in object. Fine, let's move on to the next. Okay, styling and dimension. Selector, select something. Is there any class in it? Yeah. If is there any if the element have a class, this argument gonna show that this is gonna show it, give the Boolean value. We have to mention what class would be. Is that class is present on that selector, is gonna give true and false. If the class is present on the selector, is going to show that it true, is already in the selector. And if the class is not in the selector, then it's going to show false. It's gonna give the Boolean value. And in add class as class argument, you just insert some class in the selector. Remove class, you just remove some class. Okay, and toggle class, you can insert and remove. If the selector already have the class, then this toggle class gonna remove that class, and if the selector doesn't have the class in it, then toggle class gonna insert the class. Okay, fine. And dimension, you can change by select selector, and the selector would be the address of the elements, and you can change the element height, width, position. I'm gonna insert some photos to explain you. Fine. First I'm gonna select hash class, add class, remove class, and toggle class. Fine. Let's start. This is the last position we are in. Let's delete all the content. Okay. No. Okay. Let's. Okay. Fine. Let's delete this. I'm gonna check whether any elements have class in it. If there is a class in the element, it's gonna show the boolean value, yeah, true and false. Okay. In this case, paragraph P has class as 0h, and the list 2 also has class as 0h. Okay, let's check this out. This is going to give me a boolean value, so I'm gonna print it in console. So console console.log. Okay. Just select. I'm gonna select a second paragraph. Second paragraph has class hero h. Okay, this is going to give me that is this selector element have the class hero h. If there is the class hero h in the selector, then this is going to give me true. Yeah, there is a hero h class in the selector element. If there is not, it's going to give me false. Okay, fine. Let's F12 developer tool. You can just give the F12 to check this. Okay. Console. Why is not work? Just reload this. Yeah, true. Yeah, true. You see the this is giving me true because okay, because the second P element does have class name is hero h. If I do like this, June is second P class. See, second P element has class June. No, what it going to give me? False. You can see the this is giving me false because this selector element, second P selector element, have class here but not have class whose name is June. Fine. And next one is giving a class to a element. Okay, I'm gonna give L3 add class. Okay, fine. Add class. Let's some giving a class which is activate, copy it, foot, head class foot class. This is going to insert a class to the element of the selector. Fine, you can see the selector element are inserted by the class. Okay, fine. Class is inserted to the element. Okay, fine. Now next one would be remove class. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, this happening, just cancel it, man. Okay, I already insert a class in the L3, so later on I'm gonna remove it by the command, not like just delete this command. Okay, fine. Let's again select the element by the ID, which is L3, and remove class will be remove class. I'm gonna remove class the fourth. In the beginning I insert a class fourth in the L3, but afterward I'm gonna remove the class fourth. Okay, fine. Let's check it out. 10, 12. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's do something. Let's do this like this. Selector L3, which is the L3 element, the terrace. Gonna remove class fourth, and now I'm gonna add class. Let's see if the second class would be style it. Okay, style it. Okay, fine. Style it. Fine. What is going to happen? First, I put a class in L3 ID, and in next previous. Okay, let's put some. And next one, I just remove class 4 from the L3 and add class style it. Okay, let's do some click argument. If okay, fine. Yes, okay, there's button gonna click. Okay, function. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna add 4 class to the L3, and afterward, if the button was clicked, then L3 I'm gonna remove class 4 from the L3 and add class style it. Okay, fine. Let's check this out. Okay, okay. I just add class 4 in the L3 here, and okay, and if I click the button, and this is gonna remove class 4 and add class style it. Okay, remove class 4 and add class style it. Okay, that's how it's done. And go to the next one. Next one is a toggle class. Okay, I'm gonna use this button. I'm not gonna use this. Okay, so this is not going to work. Like okay, just click, only click is all. Okay, L3, let's toggle. Okay, toggle class, toggle class, put a class. I'm gonna use style it. If style, if ID's L3 element, ID L3 element already have style it class, then a toggle class gonna remove it, and if the L3 element doesn't have any style it class, then it's gonna insert it. Okay, fine. Okay, save this. That's how it's done. Okay, insert, I don't know, maybe style it. Okay, that's the spelling problem. Style it, and now you can see it's going to work. The L3 doesn't have class stylist, so this is going to insert style class, and now the L3 ID element now have styled class. Then if I click again, then it's gonna remove. Okay, that's how it's done in toggle class. Next one would be manipulating with the sizes of the height, width, or the position. This position give the what is the altitude and height of this. Okay, what is the position, height, and width? This is going to give me information. This position option give me the information about the altitude and longitude of the element. Okay, fine. Okay, what is the position? Fine. Let's first I'm gonna include a photo in my HTML. Let's search. Okay, I don't have any photos here. There's search. Let's include this one. Let's check this out. Okay, fine. I'm gonna put this. I'll copy this and put my in file. Okay, copying element. Now ginger, I'm gonna name it ginger. Okay, next let's put the image in the body. Okay, fine. After this, I'm gonna include the image source, ginger. This is ginger. Yeah, no, ginger JPG. Okay, fine. ID would be ng1, and yeah, fine. Yeah, you can see I just include the whole images here. Okay, I'm gonna manipulate it by the jQuery. Fine. Okay, let's go to the jQuery. Okay, just remove it. Okay, fine. Okay, images IDs. Okay, image G1 and height would be let's change with let's put 500 px and height would be let's 200 px. Px means pixel, man. Fine. Let's check this out. Yeah, you can see the whole height is changed by the argument. And let's put dynamic option. Okay, and I'm gonna check this out. What is the altitude and longitude of the photo? Fine, let's check this out. Alert it. I'm gonna alert it now. And G1 and position. This is going to give me some info. Okay, position, fine. Okay, position, left up. Okay, left. Fine. Yeah, okay, let's do like this. Okay, let's copy it. Copy this and P position. Yes, yeah, and post will be left and okay, and goes top. Okay, what will be the height and top means what will be the width. Left means width and what will be the top. Fine. Okay, now it's not working. Okay, save. I didn't save. Now you can see the position here. Okay, fine, that's it. Do it. Okay, now I'm going to teach you about the events. There are several events in the jQuery: attachment and the event object, browser event. What are the events you use in browser? Document loading event, document how you load the document, those are the event. Form event, buttons. Form contain buttons, input text box. Okay, keyboard how you click the buttons, click the keyboard, those are the event. And the mouse event, how you move your mouse, those are the events. And next one is attachment and event objective. Okay, I will put some object in the selector to manipulate it. Okay, we can use on and off, bind and unbind, delegate and undelegate, one, leave and die, trigger and trigger handler. I'm gonna show it to you, the on and probably the everything. Okay, what would the bind do? It just bind the selector, and if you want to use that bind object in our manner, so you can use it. It just bind the whole thing. Delegate, I don't know what is. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, just don't worry. And one, leave and die, just leave and die. Okay, fine. Let's begin with one and off. Okay, let's begin with one. Okay, let's put it like this. Okay, when I'm gonna use this image. Okay, image 1, when one click on click, when the image is clicked, start function. Okay, okay, data. Okay, fine. Alert it. I click the image. Okay, what it do is, when if you click the image, it's gonna alert it. Okay, and off, how the off work. Off, click function, data alert, we just off click. Okay, fine. Whenever we off the click option from the image, is going to, this alert going to pop up. Okay, this okay, fine. Yeah, click the image. Okay, fine. 12. Okay, and now I'm going to off the image. mg1 off click option. Okay, now it doesn't work. On off, whenever we off the click option from the image on, this alert going to pop up. That's how it's done. Okay, the next one is bind and delegate. This this work the same. Bind means bind click option, and give a function in it. Unbind, whenever unbind the click option, this some message going to pop up, like on and off. Delegate also work the same. If you delegate a click in the selector, and if you click the element of the selector, is going to pop up some messages if you put some function in. Whenever undelegate and this is work like same as off. This is a part like on and off. On and off is the prime importance, and this is a like henchman of the on and off. Okay, and the on, this is like uh, take a selector and put this one option. One means it's gonna execute one time, not every time. Okay, I'm gonna show you the on option. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, instead of one, I'm gonna on. Means if I click once, fuck that, one click, yes, all thing is same, one, okay, and I'm gonna see whenever I click one time, this alert going to pop up. If I try to click second time, this is not going to pop up. It's gonna execute one time. Fine. Okay, I reload this page. Okay. And I'm gonna check this. Yeah, one time. If I try a second time, this is not going to work. Okay, live and die. Okay, live and die work like a bunch of programming, put in inside of put the bunch of argument, like click, one mouse over, on select. These are the argument, like a click option. You can put it in one code, like live. Just put live and put a dictionary and give that one select execute this, one click execute this, one mouse over execute this. You can put several attachment in the live option, and diamonds died. Okay, to unexecuted those options. See? And the trigger and trigger handler work the same. So I'm gonna give the review out what is trigger it. Okay, I'm gonna give review to what would be the live work like, live, how the live work. Okay, fine. Dot don't know, live, no, don't know, that's fine. Let's execute. Okay, live. Okay, I'm gonna give several offense. Okay, click, execute this function. Okay, alert, you just click the image. Okay, fine. And next one would be mouse over and function and alert mouse over the object. Okay, and next one would be let's double click okay, function alert, you just double click. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, just not a function. This is showing that live is not a function because maybe the live is a older version, so no, I'm not gonna use it right now. Okay, so let's talking about trigger. Okay, image first P, if it's click the random function. Okay, this fine, add class some style it. Okay, style it. Okay, now I'm gonna check uncode expected. Okay, that's fine. No. Fine. Now it's gonna work. Yeah, fine. Okay, whenever I click this first paragraph, whenever I click the first paragraph, it's gonna include add class CSS. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is how it's gonna do. And I just want to do this manually. Okay, if like I'm gonna put another one. If the L2 list to click on the function and first para, just trigger click, whatever the click option in the first paragraph, just trigger those. Okay, first paragraph I have a click option, so I'm gonna, if the L2 are selected, L2 clicked, then the first click gonna trigger. Okay, and start. Okay, fine. Okay, and I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, fine. If I select this is going to add the class in it and reload. If I also click the L2, click the L2 option, this is going to be trigger the first paragraph click option. Okay, you can see. Oh, that's how it's done. Okay, trigger and also the same trigger and yeah. Yes, fine. Yes, yeah, work the same. Okay, that's how you done the attachment, the event object. And in next tutorial I'm gonna begin with okay, let's see. I'm gonna begin with browser event. What are the browser event, how you can manipulate the browser. I'm gonna do the next tutorial in the next tutorial. So thank you and keep watching my tutorial. I'm gonna explain it. I'm gonna try to explain everything in the jQuery, so don't worry. So thank you. Okay, fine, don't forget to subscribe.